Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton scored a big victory yesterday, acquitted on all 16 articles of impeachment. Paxton faced corruption charges by a group of Texas state senators, but the AG says the White House was pulling the strings, and he's putting them on notice. In a scathing letter afterwards, he writes, "I can promise the Biden administration the following. Buckle up, because your lawless policies will not go unchallenged. We will not allow you to shred the Constitution and infringe on the rights of Texans. You will be held accountable." Joining us now is Tony Buzbee, attorney for Ken Paxton. Tony, thanks for being here. What did you anticipate the outcome would be? I mean, after the House had passed it, it was in the hands of the Senate. How close was it?
It wasn't close. The press in Texas and the press nationally spent 3 months convicting Ken Paxton on nothing but innuendo and rumor. And we had a lot of high drama in Texas, and we finally got a chance to cross-examine witnesses. And when that happened, the case pretty much fell flat. And it was very clear that everything that this our Attorney General of Texas had been accused of was completely false. And so the vote came out the way it should have come out. It was a just trial. Finally, people were put under oath. Finally, people were examined, and we proved it for what it was, a complete sham.
Tony, in your mind and in the mind of your client, Ken Paxton, what was behind this? What was the reason for this impeachment?
There were several factors. First, there were a lot of allegations made with no proof. And then there were lobbyists that got behind it. And apparently they went, they started something that they had no proof out of control with the liberal press in Texas. And everything that Ken Paxton had been accused of, nobody who made those accusations were ever put under oath. And when they came to court and they were put under oath, it had to be cross-examined, it completely fell apart. So one of the things we did show was that when this all started, the Bush regime got involved. We know that George P. Bush reactivated his law license. We know that the so-called whistleblowers were represented by a Bush protege. We know that a lobbyist group affiliated with the Bushes were pushing a lot of the representatives to vote for impeachment. And so this is a resounding victory for Ken Paxton and the grassroots in Texas, and I'm very proud to have been a part of it.
And ultimately, it works like the federal level. The House passes it, but the Senate has the trial. And you're saying once the evidence came out, it was clear. Real quick, what does he anticipate to do next? He mentioned he had some pretty strong words in that statement.
He is ready to get to work. I mean, he is ready to get to work. He was suspended without pay. He couldn't do his job. They appointed somebody else to be the AG, and he had to sit back and listen to all of these lies thrown at him in the press. And it was really his time to put people under oath and make them respond, confront the accusers, and it all fell flat. And so I think he's very proud of that. He's proud of the support he received. He's proud of the verdict. He's proud that the trial was fair. And I can tell you, having talked to him many times, he's ready to work.
He certainly got the support of former President Trump as well, who put out a strong statement backing him afterwards as well. Tony Buzbee, attorney for AG Ken Paxton, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.